Today I'm really excited to show you. I just received my pre-order Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Definitely excited because this is an exclusive color from Samsung. Okay, when I had a Galaxy S22 Ultra, I also had this exclusive color. So this one is also an exclusive color. So I'm going to show you what color I got here. Okay, you can guess what I got. So on the box you can see here we got blue, green, and orange, right? This is what it's exclusive for the Samsung. And they also sent you a free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro if you have pre-ordered it. Free Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. When you did pre-order, they had tons of deals. So if you have grabbed it, definitely you have received a good trading value as well. So I received $650 trading value from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And then this is what I got here. Okay, let's open this box. As you can see here, the package comes with S Pen. They also include S Pen, SIM card ejector, USB-C to C, and quick guide, terms and conditions. Nothing fancy. It's as usual what you're used to get, right? Only phone and the charging cable and the SIM card ejector. All right. So let's open the sealed pack. There's a pull tab on the bottom and the top. Guess what color it is? Ooh, there you go. I was trying to keep you surprised, but it already had backflip in here. As you can see, I don't know how cool the color really looks cool here. I don't know if you can see the actual color here. Wow, the flat screen, that's what I was expecting it. Everyone was expecting, right? The curved display has gone a little bit difficult for you to use at the edges, right? And S24 Ultra is pretty lighter than S22 Ultra. Yeah, I can feel that. Look at this front and back, the camera design. As you can see, front. All right, the camera between S22 Ultra and S24 Ultra, as you can see, the camera lens it's bumped. It's slightly bigger, you know, like definitely, as you can see. I need to take this out. This is the cover for the lens, so yeah, but the dimension wise looks same. Yeah, a little wobbly if you do it on this end. Yeah, the size looks similar. S22 Ultra height, this is S22 Ultra height is slightly bigger. It's very, I'll say less than very slightly, some in there, slightly bigger than the S24 Ultra. Let's open this up. As you can see, ooh. So as we can see here, this has a little bit less glossy, right? So the Victus 2 glass here and the Armor glass here. On the top, we can see the microphone holes. There was only one hole on the 22 Ultra, and now we have two holes in there. And on the side, we can see it's similar. The volume button, power button, and the antennas. On the bottom, we have slightly different on the speaker grill here. As you can see, the SIM card is on the same direction. The speaker grill has changed from the bar to the bar from this grill, and we have USB Type C, and we can also see the S Pen became a little bit flatter here. That's the S Pen here. Oh wow. The S Pen was also slightly bigger on the S22 Ultra. Yep, it is always bigger. You can see the S22 Ultra pen. S Pen is slightly bigger here. Yeah, slightly, not much, but yeah. The rail has become the titanium compared to this aluminum here. It's black aluminum on the 22 Ultra, and this one is titanium. The top of the box, there is this box here. We have quick guide, we got USB Type C to USB Type C cable, and we got SIM card ejector tool. Pretty cool. All right, let's turn this on and let's see. Okay, it took a little bit longer than what I was expecting. I like this color. It's really good green color. That's what they say here. You can see the Samsung badge here. I don't know if you can see the Samsung badge. Yeah, it's very hard to see it on the camera. Start. Add SIM card. I'll not agree to the optional. So easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically and copy setting accounts and more from another device. Galaxy or Android device, set up manually. I'm just going to do manually. Later, I'm going to transfer this. Let me skip the Wi-Fi for now. I like the dark display as well. It's pretty fast. The setup is pretty fast, right? When you open front-facing camera, it asks you to whether you want to set a warm tone or the regular tone. We have a 3x, 5x, 10x zoom here. I wanted to remove this Galaxy bud from here. Okay, not it. If I erase it, it's gone, but there is still more black. Maybe it's not precise with the S Pen. See, that's the introduction of the S Pen here. Hello. You can select type, and they also have AI built in for the your notepad as well. For the S Pen, you can utilize that. Let's select exactly what it was there and erase it. Completely gone. Only the shadow here. Let's say this shadow, I can erase it. No. Yeah, it's gone. You can see the image right here, right? Gone. Yeah, you will see some shadow over here definitely. But you have to select precisely for you to, you see that black, it's trying to cover the carpet. Yeah, if you do that, yep, gone, right? Let's select this object on the background. That's pretty cool. You can see the window, right? That's pretty cool. Create a note. They have auto format text. So let's see, welcome to the unboxing journey. Now what you can do with this, you can either convert to text, add text box. Yeah, the keyboard, you won't see that, right? Once you go to the keyboard option, then you'll see this AI feature. First time use your advanced intelligence in an app or service required data collection process. Okay. Okay, it does require Wi-Fi connection. Okay, you need to log into your account first to use the lots of AI features in here. Okay, let's see if it does now. Okay. Okay, now once you tap this AI function, AI button here, you will see an auto format, summarize, correct spelling, translate. Let's do auto format. Just the notes. Can't auto format the text with fewer. Okay, you have to write more stuff in here. I love Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Auto format. No, it doesn't do if you have. Let's just summarize. I did S24 and it detected S23. Wow. Add to. Okay, so it adds like that with the text if you want to go with text. Let's translate. Spanish translate. So that's the translation. I don't know how this is not properly done for the Ultra. All right, that's one of the feature. And there's also an AI wallpaper here. Just to change the wallpaper, and if you go to creative wallpaper here, then you will see the AI wallpaper. These are AI wallpaper. It's imaginary. You can just edit whatever you need, right? Bicycle, boat, whatever you need. And for the flowers, you wanna go with cotton, and color you can go with green and teal. Let's generate. Now you need a Google account. That's crazy. Okay, so I made a surreal boat made of cotton in shade and green and teal. Let's generate. There we go. That's what the AI generated an image, right? I can set this boat. Look at this. That's a Google Discover. If I change it to Samsung News, you can go this way and you can do the Samsung News as well if you want. Okay, it's pretty cool, guys. I need to check more about this for further things to see. Right, comes with the Galaxy Bud 2 Pro. Alright guys, that's all for today. I have to back up my device from my S22 Ultra to this one, and then I should be able to fully use it. I'll let it charge, let it sit on the charge, and then I will start exploring all the features, and I'll bring more shorts of these features as well later in the future. So I just got this. Let me explore how good will be all the cameras, AI stuff, and all those things. All right. Water video that smoothly changes the Galaxy Theater. So let me know what else you want to see on this phone, okay?